Alright, what's up, guys? Thought I was getting Bob there making the intro, but what's up, guys? It's currently 6:04, Saturday, May 25th, and I'm about to go out and make some pancakes, bacon, and hash browns, and see how it goes. It's gonna be my dinner. I'm pretty bored tonight, and I have nothing better to do, but this will be fun, hopefully. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And keep watching, stay tuned. We're gonna get out in the woods on this bad boy, you guys already know. I don't know if you can see, but it's my bike. But yeah, so stay tuned, keep watching. I'll see you in the woods. Alright, made it to the glass castle. I'm gonna get this fire started. And like I said, I'm making pancakes, bacon, and hash browns. And it's like my second time making it, so you guys are gonna learn with me. But let's get this fire started and get cooking. I got all my ingredients here. I got hash browns, which are like instant hash browns. You can get them for like 99 cents at Acme. I got an egg. I got bacon, chocolate for the pancakes, pancake mix, and butter. And then some milk in here. And yeah, that's all I'm bringing out, but let's go. Schlep. So before starting the fire, I'm actually gonna mix this all up into batter. So I'm ready. And you're gonna take your water bottle, Nalgene, anything. Got my batter here. And I'm definitely gonna spill some, I already know. I'm gonna try my best. And this is 2 cups of batter, cup of milk, and 1 egg. Yeah, so I actually didn't spill any perfectly. Didn't spill anything at all. Now I'm gonna get my egg, and I wrap my egg in tissue so I can put it in the backpack. Just a little tip right there. And get your egg right here. And then cracker in there. And lastly, get milk and pour your milk in. And I actually brought a whisk or whatever they're called, so I'm cheating today. And you're just gonna mix it all up. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, come on, you guys know what I'm saying. We got it all mixed up, perfect, in the water bottle. And now I'm gonna get this fire started. So I'm gonna use these tissues that I had for the egg, even though it's cheating, and I got some fat wood. If you don't really know what it is, it's like, if you scrape it off, like the shavings are really flammable, so it's a perfect fire starter. But yeah, let's get this fire started. Looks like we might have gotten it started here. Let it all catch. There we go, fire started. I got the fire going pretty well, so I'm gonna throw the pan on and we're gonna get cooking pancakes. Alright, we're gonna pour our first pancake. Sorry for saying alright so much, it's a classic, but I'm gonna try to make these small. They're gonna cook super fast. I'm just gonna put one on there real quick. And I've also got a Hershey chocolate bar, make some chocolate chip pancakes. Break it up. It's gonna cook super fast, so I gotta already flip it right now. Yeah, we're gonna wanna wait until it cools down a little bit. If you can see. But it's the first pancake. We're trying things out. Yeah, it's way too hot. We're gonna have to wait until it cools down a little bit, but it's looking really good. Hopefully it's a little bit cooler now. They won't cook as fast. Yeah, it's good. Get some cinematic shots of the pancake. If you haven't liked or subscribed yet and you're watching us right now, like and subscribe. More videos coming out soon. Anything you want, comment down below. I'm gonna try to make some vlogs, just any random things I want to film. Also, yeah, just comment down below any suggestions or any food you guys want me to make out in the woods or videos you want me to film. A lot of fishing, cooking, skating, all that type of stuff coming soon. Oh my god. No. The only good one I broke. You've got to be kidding me. It's whatever, guys. We'll make a good one. Alright, let's take him off. Let's try to make a good one this time. Let's see. Put some big chocolate chips in there. I'm just gonna let it cook now. Hopefully get a perfect one. Alright, it's looking about cooked. So I'm gonna try to flip it. There we go. It's okay. There we go, he might be done. I got hash browns and bacon to make after this. There we go, perfect pancake. Slide her off. Put it right on top. Just like that. And then I still got some more batter, so we're gonna keep cooking them. The rest of my chocolate. By the way, I hope you guys like the plates. I wish I had them for my first cooking video where I cooked tacos. It'd be perfect, but we're making pancakes on Fiesta plates. It's whatever. Gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, let's see. This is ready. Flip it. Barely, but I'm gonna try. Oh, there we go. That one's good. Looks about done. Check it. Yeah. Probably be good. And I'm gonna make some bacon now. So let's cover those up, keep them warm. I gotta get this fire going again. So I'm actually gonna put hash browns on first. I'm probably not gonna put all of them, but and basically for these, all you gotta do is get a pan, pour them in. Once you got it poured out, get a little bit of water. You just do it until you barely covered it. Then just let it cook. Got the hash browns cooking. Not sure how quick or anything they're gonna cook. Sprinkle a little bit more water on there. And you're gonna want to put some salt and pepper on your potatoes. Alright, that's probably done, so let's get it on a plate. So we got the hash browns on a plate and we got the pancakes. Now all we got left is bacon to cook. Last but not least, we got our bacon. We're gonna warm up our pancakes at the end, don't worry about it. Hash browns, pancakes, and bacon. It's like, let me see, check what time it is. It is currently 7:20, and it only took me like an hour to make these, so it wasn't bad at all. Oh yeah, it's cooking now. The fire's getting hot. Hopefully by like next year I'll be good at cooking food, because that's what I'm hoping for. I'm currently not the best, as you can tell. Comment down below how you feel about Kanye West naming his child Psalm or whatever it is. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm just kidding, you guys. I don't care at all. I just read that on World Star. I gotta build a lot more. It's not enough here, guys. Gotta put in the work. This bacon's almost done. Give it one more flip. Yeah. That'll be done right there. Right on top of the hash browns. And then looks like we're almost done. I'm gonna get my pancakes, put them right there, and there we go. That's what we came out here for. Full meal. We'll try the burnt one first. Heat her up. That was nasty, but this will hopefully be good. I don't know if this works, but I'm gonna heat it up real quick like that. And I got my silverware, which is all wooden, cause you know. I'm gonna take this off before I start a forest fire. Take it up here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Take it up here. Got it right there. I'm gonna try this pancake now. Looks fire. Oh, the pancake is good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Super good. I never expected myself to be able to come here and make pancakes without like messing something up. I really thought I was gonna mess something up. I'm very surprised. Try these hash browns. Very good as well. Hopefully the angle and all that is fine. I can't really see anything, but that's how you learn. This is super good, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Bacon's perfectly cooked. Hash browns are perfect. The pancake is also perfect. There you go. I would call this a success. We made pancakes, hash browns, bacon. I didn't get hurt. I didn't break anything. It's really not that hard, guys. If you're bored and you're hungry, go outside, go have some fun. I mean, I just do this because I'd rather not be like playing video games or whatever. But it's more fun to come out here and make your own food. It's actually a lot of fun. So if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. You already know. You're probably my guy if you're watching this, or girl, whatever. But like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Yo, did you guys like that outro? That's pretty sick.